Go. Fight. Go fight.
No, take a picture. So, put it in the, Bell? Bell? Ayan ang pagsasamahin nila dito sa Avondale.
I.
Stay away there.
Okay, we need more space. Start over. I won.
You won.
No, our team won. Why?
How do you know?
Well, Russell hit me multiple times. Let's do a fencing contest. Like fencing.
Fighting stance, Kai Kai.
Come on.